In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document in DocuSign without sending it back. This can be incredibly handy if you want to keep a signed copy for your records, or if you simply need to complete the signing process without immediately sharing it. Let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through the process step by step, making sure you understand each part along the way. First, you'll want to start by selecting the document you intend to sign. To do this, head over to the Agreements tab within your DocuSign account. This is where all your documents are organized, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Browse through the list until you spot the document that needs your signature. Once you've found the right document, take a look at the options presented next to it. You'll notice a Sign button right there. Go ahead and click on this Sign button, which will open up the document and prepare it for your signature. At this point, DocuSign will prompt you to fill out any input fields in the document. This usually includes filling out essential information that might be required before you can officially sign the document. Ensure all necessary fields are complete, including the signature field, as this is crucial for the signing process. Now that you've filled in all the required information and the signature field, you might be wondering about your next move. Typically, you would proceed to click the Finish button to complete the signing process, but today we're doing something a bit different. Instead of finishing and sending the document immediately, take a look at the small drop-down arrow right next to the Finish button. Click on this drop-down to reveal additional options. From this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Finish Later. Select Finish Later, and by doing so, you will successfully save your signed document without sending it back. This means the document remains in your DocuSign account, and you can decide when or if you want to send it at a later time. This feature can be exceptionally useful if you need more time to review the document, or if you simply prefer to keep a signed version for your records without committing to send it right away. And there you have it. You've now signed your document without sending it. This simple yet effective technique is a great way to manage your signed agreements on your own terms. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks to make the most out of your DocuSign experience.